स्टूडेंट टाइप स्मार्ट काम करो, सब्सक्राइब के साथ साथ बेल आइकन भी दबाओ।
Hello guys, welcome to Manwa. Today in this video we'll talk all about the placement through GLC Mumbai. So stay tuned with me. Here we'll give the complete information regarding placement. So moving further, so the first question is why GLC? The first reason is the GLC Mumbai has the reputation of being Asia's oldest law school, which is established in 1855, and it is ranked amongst the top law college in country, and it is the most preferred one in Mumbai. So first reason is the GLC believes in the blend of imparting education along with gaining practical experience. So here you will get the theory as well as practice. So here is the great importance for theory as well as practice. The second one is the solicitors. So GLC is one of the few institutions which gives an opportunity to enroll for the solicitors, taking full advantage of being situated at the financial capital of India. Here students works as article clerk simultaneously. The third one, add-on courses. Here students gets an opportunity to undergo add-on professional courses like chartered accountant, chartered secretary and the chartered financial accountant, and these courses enable students to expand their knowledge and awareness even as fresh graduates. And the most important is the internship, and GLC is the only educational institute which exposes its students to the Pandora of work opportunities in the legal field, as Mumbai is home to several law firms, corporate houses and MNCs, and due to the flexible lecture timings, here students start pursuing their internship from the second year of college itself. And the last one is the judicial. Here the Bombay High Court offers yet another incentive to the college students. Here they undergo internship under the sitting judges, council and senior counsel, where in the presence of legal legends, students get the immense knowledge beyond the theory. So let's move further. So friends, here we'll talk about some of the illustrious alumni, as the GLC boasts of rich alumni base like Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, Bal Gangadhar Lokmanya Tilak, former ex-president Pratibha Pai Patil, Soli Sorabji, Nani Palkiwala, Lal Krishna Advani, Justice MC Chagla, and it also includes the 5 Chief Justice of India, legal advisors to the Government of India and state governments, some of the leaders, politicians, reformers, industrialists, senior counsels and the judges of the Supreme Court and High Courts. So let's move further. So here we'll discuss about the placement, and the GLC's on-campus recruitment program is one of the first and only recruitment program organized amongst law college in Mumbai, and it has the placement committee established in the academic year 1998 to 99. And this placement committee organizes the 2 placement weeks each year, one being in the month of September for the position of intern, article clerk and associates, and the other in the month of February for the position of associates, where it organizes the campus interviews. It prepares students to face the campus interviews with respect to various law firms, organizations, and it also provides the requisite training with respect to soft skills. So moving further, and these all are the past recruiters which takes part each year in the placement cell. Some of the top listed law firms like Advani and Company, Baruchan Partners, Gold Mount Advisors, Shardul Amarchand and Mangaldas and Company, Cyril Amarchand and Mangaldas and Company, AGB Partners, Desai Diwanji, Fox Mandel, Tri-Legal, India Law Services, J Sagar Associates, Khaitan and Company, some of the corporate houses like 92.7 FM, Ernst & Young, Heinz, KPMG, Wipro, Bajaj Allianz, Deloitte, Godrej, some of the LPOs such as H5 Asia Pacific, Eco Solutions and Integron. And students here also get the internship in all these firms as well as in High Court, in Supreme Court, and also under the guidance of various councils. So friends, if you are in GLC, then don't worry about the placement. Here you will get the vast career opportunities, as all these firms takes part in each year, where in the starting range you will get the highest package, which is at 6 to 8 lakh per annum, average stand at 5 to 6 lakh per annum, and the lowest package stand at 3 to 4 lakh per annum. So friends, if you are interested in legal studies, then your target should be the GLC Mumbai, and for that you have to crack MH Law CET. So friends, kickstart the preparation button. Let's prepare for MH Law CET, and to crack MH Law CET, join Manwar online program where you will get books, mock tests, sectional and full course as well. Here you also interact live with us where you will get all this stuff as complimentary. So call on 8828581455 or you can simply visit at manwaredu.com/lawentrance, and this link I also mention in the description, so kindly check the description. And if you are Mumbai based, then you can join our classroom sessions at Borivali, Dadar and Vasai. So thank you very much guys, all the best for your career. See you in the next video.